understanding, go through hell, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, go through hell. This expression is commonly used in English, and understanding it can really enrich your language skills. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how it's used. Go through hell is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to experience a very difficult or unpleasant situation. This phrase often refers to enduring tough times, facing extreme challenges, or going through intense emotional or physical distress. It's important to note that this is a metaphorical use, and it doesn't refer to a literal place. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. After losing his job and his house, he really went through hell. 2. She went through hell during the divorce process. 3. The soldiers went through hell in the battlefield. In each of these sentences, the phrase highlights significant struggles or challenges that the subjects faced. There are several other expressions in English that convey a similar meaning. Here are a few. Endure hardship. Face tough times. Suffer adversity. Using these synonyms can add variety to your language and help you express the same idea in different ways. That's all for our explanation of the phrase, go through hell. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you understand and use this expression confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this add color and depth to your language skills. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.